Hey guys, it's Bethany. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please consider subscribing and leaving a comment or a like. It's very much appreciated. We'll be memory planning the first week of June, which happens to be Pride Month. So I'm going to be using this printable kit by White Rose Printables that I foiled in hollow foil. The first 4 pages are foiled, and I believe the rest of the kit is non-foiled, but still just as pretty. There's so much to work with in this kit that you could easily use it for the entire month of June, actually. I mean, look at this. There's so much in this kit. These were the extra freebies that it came with. I love them. They're so cute. And I may use these as underlays, which were from Rose Colored Days. These are the header overlays, but I think since they're foiled, maybe I'll put them over the to-dos or something because they're so cute. And then I also have this, which is from Rose Colored Days also, and it is a rainbow in hollow foil, I guess. Here. I don't know what size this is for, but let's see what we have. It is a little rainbow hollow. Yay! Yay, Pride. Okay, so we're going to speed you up through this part where I'm going to lay down the base, and I will get back to you. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And come back, like, subscribe. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate it. Enjoy. So here is the final spread, you guys. I love it. It's so pretty and bright. It's so out of my comfort zone with these very prime colors, but I love it. Everything is from the kit except for these are from Rose Colored Days. The numbers and the hearts are from MWD Designs. The June sticker is from Plannerology, I believe. And that's it. Everything else is from the kit. It's pretty. I love it. I love it so much. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful Pride Month. Thank you for watching, and thank you so much. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment if you liked it, and have a wonderful Pride Month. Bye.